This is a look at the genuine Mansfield tank to bowl kit. This is a 3-inch tank to bowl kit, part number 630-0107. You get this little Mansfield slip inside of it. Set that off to the side. You get the 3-inch tank to bowl gasket. Let's go ahead and get some measurements of this. And then you get 3 bolts. These, as you can see, they're a little bit different. They're made so that they will break before you can crack the tank. You get the 3 nuts to go with the bolts. And then a nut for the supply line. Put a few measurements here. And once again, this is the genuine Mansfield tank to bowl kit, part number 630-0107.